Want to know what makes Superfood Tabs so effective? Here's a look at the 15 all-natural superfoods in each tablet. Chlorella is a strong antioxidant that lowers blood pressure and boosts immunity. Ginseng boosts immunity and brain function while controlling appetite and burning calories. Matcha controls appetite, boosts metabolism, and nourishes skin and gut. Aloe vera maximizes weight loss potential and nourishes hair, skin, and nails. Dandelion controls appetite, boosts metabolism, and nourishes skin and gut. Goji berry controls hunger and cleanses liver. It's also a great aid for healing and burning fat. Milk thistle aids weight loss, boosts energy, clears skin, and controls hunger. Beetroot reduces inflammation, aids in digestion, and supports your heart. Elderberry boosts immunity, lessens stress, and reduces inflammation. Green tea controls hunger, boosts metabolism to burn fat, and nourishes skin. Pomegranate improves mood and reduces inflammation. It also helps fight disease. Burdock root improves skin, cleanses liver, and manages blood pressure. Ginger root improves overall gut health and controls blood sugar levels. Lemon balm improves brain function and reduces stress and anxiety. Last but not least, wheatgrass promotes healthy digestion, boosts metabolism, and lowers cholesterol. Looking for more product info and customer testimonials? Subscribe to our channel for more informational content and real customer reviews.